Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking the question, will there be changes to the affidavit of support in a new Trump administration? As we discussed in other videos going back some years ago, there were a number of reforms made under the prior Trump administration to the affidavit of support, most notably the threshold to support an immigrant spouse or fiance in the United States went up substantially under Trump, and they started really vetting and scrutinizing the assets and financial background of the sponsor. Question is, will this come back? Well, I got to tell you, of anything that I can use as a predictive model from last administration to present, this one is probably a pretty good indicator that, yeah, we're going to see substantial changes to the affidavit of support. Now, what does that mean? First off, it's probably not going to happen immediately. These things do take time. There's bureaucracy involved. There's certain due process they have to go through in order to change rules. But presumably, I think it's safe to presume, yeah, they're probably going to go ahead and try to revert this back to the rule that we saw very briefly under the prior Trump administration. Again, I don't think it's going to happen immediately, but sometime within the term, I expect it could happen. When? Probably within the first 2 years, but if I was betting, I would bet more toward the end of that 2-year time period than toward the beginning of it. That said, it's looking more and more like Trump is looking to hit the ground running. So there's a good possibility maybe they'll initiate rule changes from the get-go and we'll start seeing this stuff happening in relatively quick time starting in 2025. That being said, it remains to be seen, and we will certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.